Every time you crack your knuckles, you're literally creating tiny explosions inside your joints. That satisfying pop isn't your bones grinding together, it's actually nitrogen bubbles collapsing in your synovial fluid at 300 miles per hour. Scientists discovered this using real-time MRI imaging, watching joints explode in slow motion. The sound is so distinct that researchers can identify different people just by their knuckle cracks, like a fingerprint made of sound. Ancient Romans believed knuckle cracking could predict the weather, while medieval doctors thought it released evil spirits from your body. Modern studies show habitual knuckle crackers actually have stronger grip strength than non-crackers. Your joints are basically tiny percussion instruments, playing a symphony only you can conduct. What's the weirdest sound your body makes that you've never questioned?